Hey there, are you thinking about selling your home but not quite sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share some insider tips that will help you kick off the home selling process with confidence. Let's dive in. First things first, it all starts with picking the right real estate agent. This is a big deal because the right agent can make or break your selling experience. You want someone who's not only experienced but also understands your needs and knows the local market like the back of their hand. Now, when you sit down with your potential agent, expect to get into the nitty-gritty of current market conditions. Here, your agent should provide something called a comparative market analysis, or CMA for short. This crucial piece of data will help set realistic expectations for both pricing and how long it might take to sell your home. But don't just sit there and nod. This is the perfect opportunity to ask questions. How will they market your property? Are there quick improvements you could make to boost your home's value? What challenges should you be prepared for? It's essential to get these answers up front so you know exactly what to expect. Together, you and your agent will craft a tailored selling strategy. This isn't just about slapping a "for sale" sign on your lawn. We're talking about picking the right listing dates, planning potential open house days, and setting up a marketing plan that highlights the best features of your property. Remember, selling your home is a journey, and like any great adventure, it starts with that first step. So make it a solid one by choosing the right partner for the journey. Stay tuned for more tips in our next video, and let's make sure you're as prepared as possible to make this a smooth and successful sale. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future advice. See you next time.